Hello, my friend. Welcome to Professor's Garage. Today, I'm sharing a little secret that makes a big difference. It's all about boosting your vehicle's fuel efficiency. And trust me, it's easier than you think. As an example, take this 2017 RX 350, a mid-size SUV with a V6 engine. It hit that 90,000 mile mark, and well, it was overdue for a little TLC. Before the magic happened, it was giving us a decent 20 miles per gallon in the city and a modest 23 mpg on the highway. Not bad. But who doesn't want more miles per gallon, right? What did I do? Well, I decided to swap out those aging spark plugs, all 6 of them, with genuine Toyota ones. That sent me back just $80. Pretty reasonable, don't you think? And while I was at it, I gave the throttle body some love and replaced the surge plenum gasket. The results? Almost like a snap of the fingers, our MPG went from 20 in the city to nearly 26. And on the highway, it soared to an impressive 30 mpg. If you are paying around $3.5 per gallon and driving about 1,200 miles per month, you could be saving close to $50 every single month, or $600 in a year. That's right, you'll pay off those spark plugs in no time. So why wait? Especially if you like taking things into your own hands. It's not a difficult job. I have 2 videos on how to replace both the front and the rear spark plugs on the latest Toyota V6 engine. Follow Toyota's recommended interval to change them every 60,000 miles. I'm not affiliated with Toyota or Lexus, but please use genuine Toyota or OE parts for this replacement job, and you won't regret it. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and grant you peace. 平安。